Today I want to air some dirty laundry. Actually, you know what? While we're on the subject of dirty laundry, I want to talk about laundry and egress in investment properties. All the time we see investors coming in, they want to buy a property. Maybe it's a converted house that was, 2 units, 3, 4 units added. And a lot of times they are trying to figure out where to put laundry because they want to have laundry somewhere in the building. I have a little story for you about a situation that I ran into recently. I have a client who is trying to sell a piece of property, and there was a washer dryer added in a hallway area. One of the things that they discovered recently was if it's in the hallway, it potentially is an egress issue, which means in a fire, it might be hard for people to get out if the laundry is interfering with the main exit for the building. I've seen it so many times where investors come in, they say there's no laundry, and they say, well, I'll put it in the hallway, put it in a corner of the hallway. And as it turns out, you can't be doing that because it's going to create an egress issue. So if you're buying an income property and it does not already have laundry, then you can't put it in a hallway. And if it does have laundry, make sure it's not right in the hallway where everybody would have to trip over the washing machine to get out in a fire. Because if it is, you're going to have an issue with the fire department.